M0FXB, ICOM 2820. We have a link in the description so you can download this software. M6LSJ has sent me a data file. Let's open it. So we're going to go File, Open, and then go to my downloads, like so, and double click. And this is the file that we've just received. So we're going to go to Memory Channels, All. Let's go to 0 to 99. Now I'm going to put this file into my ICOM 2820 Facebook page, and you can use it. Of course, make changes. And there is a lot to look at. So I'll put the link in the description. You've got banks here. If you want to change the bank name, you just double click where it says bank name. You can add a new bank and change the name. Look, and at the moment, this one's got 2 meters, 70 SEMS, digital, local, PMR, quite a lot in there, marine and airband, which is good. So if we just go and click in this long list here, the airband one, just see what's in there. There's a load there. Excellent. One of my favorite ones where I live is one, I'll put it here. You can give the channel a number, so 434, and we'll go 133.850. That's very busy for me. Keep everything else the same, and then we'll just rename it to, I'll just call it Bristol for now. That's that one. If we go to, let's go to 2 meters, analog, just here. Move this a bit lower. So let's add one. We'll do GB3 Bravo Charlie. So you number the channel. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, the following number, and then we'll put the frequency in. So we're going to put in GB3 Bravo Charlie at 145.750 minus shift 600. So we just need to change that one after the dot to a 6. Doesn't matter about the steps, we're not changing it. And there's the name, GB3 Bravo Charlie. Tone squelch, which is what I'm just going to use tone, not squelch, because I like to hear the noise. On receive, that is 94, and that's it. And then obviously read and write to the radio. We're not connected to the radio at the moment, and you've got the no answer from transceiver because it's not plugged in, and you are going to need the right cable for your the right cloning cable. It looks like this, and it does fit several radios. Fits the 2730 5100, which I've got. And a few others. So yeah, it's a single pin, like 3.5 jack. You do need the driver. So you're going to need that cable to read and write to the to the 2820. See what else we've got here. Calling channels, DTMF memories, nice, and that makes it. One I use a lot is, if we put it on 3, is star 341522, and that's HubNet. Can we name these? Not seeing a name there unless we're allowed to do it here. Let's just do it HubNet. See if it lets me. No, it just lets me do an S, so I'm not sure what the S means. Someone tell me, but anyway, function memory. Common settings. Right at the bottom, so look, backlight, fan control. There's your dimmer, backlight, LCD contrast. I wonder if you can change colors. I'm not seeing colors there. Baud rate, squelch, auto power off, packet band. It does do packet radio. LR band, left and right band. And you can do some parameters there. It's a very wide band receiver. So you've got the memory channel tab that we just looked at. There's hundreds of memory channels. Programming scan edges as well. Now, I would say that's more for scanning. And you can add a scanning name. We could put here, for example, marine, like so. Looking at different scanning banks. That's the hotspot I just added. I did notice though that on this one, when I selected hotspot, it didn't actually let me select digital, which is interesting because when you go one that's, say this is a digital one, it does let me search. So maybe I have to read from the radio first. Scan name, banks. So, and then at the top here, we've got save. That's the ICF file that we've got. Font size. Comport select, you'd need to select that to clone. So give it a go. I think it's quite basic, really. With the DR mode radios, it's more advanced. Now, I bet you the RT Systems one is pretty good. I'll have to have a look at that one. But it gets you started. The main thing is read your radio, go to the memory channels, go to the first bank and start adding in your favorites. Does it let me select FM here? I'm just curious why it wouldn't let me select it. It's going to go like so. It doesn't let me do D star, I've just noticed. In the mode selection. See that? That's interesting. But it does in other sections, like if we look at the digital one here, it is letting me select it. So I wonder what the thing is that enables that. I need to learn that. Bye for now.